How to plant flower seeds outside. A flower garden adds beauty and fragrance to your yard and is an enjoyable hobby that produces visible results. When planting flowers outdoors, you can purchase plants and seedlings or start your flowers directly from seed. Planting a flower garden from seed is simple to do, using basic gardening supplies. Care for your newly planted flower seeds and, several weeks later, you'll reap the benefits of all your hard work as you enjoy colorful flowers in your yard. Things you will need: garden rake, garden gloves, flower seeds, sand optional, measuring spoons, tuna cans, sprinkler or hose. Prepare your garden soil by breaking up clumps of dirt with a garden rake. A loose, fine soil helps seeds break through to the surface more easily. Wear gardening gloves to keep your hands clean and protect them from injury while working outdoors. Poke holes for the flower seeds into the soil, using your gloved finger. Read the back of the seed packet to determine the depth at which the seeds need to be planted. Mix very small seeds with a couple teaspoons of dry sand. Doing this makes it easier to sow tiny seeds, according to online resource Creative Homeowner. Plant a few flower seeds in each hole. Cover the holes with dirt and pat the ground down with your hands. Place empty, clean tuna cans around the area where you planted your flower seeds. The tuna cans will serve to measure the amount of water you're using to water your flowers. Water your newly planted flower seeds using a sprinkler or hose. Continue to water until your tuna cans contain 1 inch of water. Tips: warnings. Keep the flower seed bed moist at all times until the seedlings start to grow. A moist seed bed promotes root and plant growth. Thin your flower seedlings when they are 5 to 6 inches tall. If the flower plants are too crowded, they will be tall and leggy, but will not produce as many flowers.